Hello, we're at Dedham's old sawmill, but we're in the back where they used to work, in the woods. I got an idea. What I do here is I started the other day, came down here. Well, actually I started a while ago. Then it started getting nicer out, and then I find bottles, old bottles. Now see this hill I'm going down? Right? This big hill, all this. When the houses were up here in like the 20s, 40s, and there were storms, people had sheds with bottles, such as this one. They're very old. And these bottles, in the storms, they would bring down the houses, and the houses, all this is bottles and old things that were in this shed in school. Thanks to you guys. Why you guys? I don't know. And his empties. Oh shit. I don't think this is a new bottle. Wait a minute. Look at that one. I think I did this early. I did this the other day, and now everything's out, like in the open face water and stuff. I'm fucking scared. Look, an old fire truck. I might cracked up. What the fuck? You know what?